Hello, in this video I will show you how to backup your WhatsApp chat. Now it's a very easy process. Open your WhatsApp, then click on the three dots at the top right, go to settings, then go inside chat. Now you will be having two options that you can try over here. So all you have to do is scroll down, and the two options that you can use over here is chat backup and transfer chats. So let's first go to the chat backup section, click on that option. Now, all you have to do is just simply link your Google account where you want to save all of your chat history or videos if you have added those as well. And after that, all you have to do is click on backup, and then the backup procedure will start and all of your chats and videos will be backed up on Google Drive. Now, the other option is if you click on transfer chat over here, you can transfer all the chats and videos from one device to another using a scanner. So all you have to do is just simply scan a QR code, as you can see right over here. So the moment you do that, all the data will be transferred from your device to another device. So that's the second option that you can try. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.